Hello, I am Lady Naily, and this is the app Gabest Livreur application. In the video, I'll explain the props of foreground service remote messaging and foreground service data synchronization and when to use each. This permission allows the app to receive and handle message and notification in real time, even the app is running in background or closed. It used in chat or for on chat app or for order notification from server vendor to client or staff. This application for delivery boy. I use foreign service remote messaging like this example. In client add an order. This is application client. In client make order and Gabest commerce accept order. 1 minute pending. And confirm this order. And notification in Gabest Livreur for a new order. For delivery boy, accept this order. Yes, this application is Gabest Livreur. I accept order and make or real time like this. Confirm it. Is this make and foreign service data synchronize? Is for make all information in order. Is synchronize sweep to cooking. 2 minutes is example. Gabest Livreur order processing. Yes, is work. Then in sweep to ready hand over. Good. Yes. Open and check order details. Ready for delivery. In open. This and sweep pick up order. Yes. System. And then for chat, for conversion, I use them in conversion, like in client send, in client this delivery can client chat with Livreur with Gabest delivery. Hello. Is make chat on real time. This and this all function for use foreign service remote messaging and foreign service data synchronize. Thank you.